welcome. Hopefully you're sitting in a nice, comfortable position. And we're going to begin with just some shoulder rolls, forward and backwards, just to release some tension around your neck and shoulders. You can do a little twist from side to side. And I'm going to invite you to connect to the breath, bringing your attention down to your belly. And get a sense of how peaceful our minds can feel when we bring our attention to the belly, becoming a little quieter. And I'm going to invite you, if you haven't already, to close your eyes. And take a nice big deep breath in through the nose. And feel everything soften as you breathe slowly out through your mouth, as if you're blowing through a straw. Being aware of that pause at the end of the breath, where the mind becomes a bit more quiet. And one more time, a nice big deep breath in through the nose. Feeling your body expand. And then as you blow slowly out through your mouth, your muscles letting go even more. And then just breathing gently in through the nose and out through the nose. Each out breath is an invite to let go of anything that you're holding on to. Now bring your attention to your chest area, your heart. Feel it rise and fall with each breath. Maybe even feeling the gentle pulsing of your heart within your body. And I'd like you to think of something in your past that you are grateful for. Allow that image to come to your mind and get a sense of how it feels when you see this image. Now, can you place this thought within your heart area? It doesn't matter if you can't, but even just focusing on the heart area as a place where this thought, however it arises for you, is now located, can create a shift within your energy. Allow that attitude of gratitude to flow through you, boosting your neurochemistry and rewiring your brain to look for more of the good in life. The more grateful we are, the more we can change our experience of reality. Now, can you think of something small that you are grateful for that you have experienced today? It could be the time to do this. A welcome smile from a loved one or pet. A cup of coffee you enjoyed this morning. Whatever comes to mind, place that thought within your heart area. Breathe into it, expand it, and let that energy flow through you. And can you think of something in your future that you would be grateful for experiencing? Place this thought in your heart area. Feel it expand. See yourself experiencing what you would be grateful for happening in your future. Be aware of what you would see. And what you would feel. And what you would hear. And let that energy of gratitude surge through you as if that future was happening right now. I'd like you to think about who has been grateful for you. Something you did for them. Can you bring that to mind? And place that thought in your heart area. Let it expand. And let that energy of gratitude for you surge through your mind and body. And lastly, what can you feel grateful for about you? Your mindset, generosity, kindness, how loving you can be. Whatever you have chosen, place that in your heart and make that your intention for today. Now give yourself a wonderful inner smile. And then when you are ready, come back to your surroundings and think about what you will take from this meditation into the rest of your day. Thank you so much for joining me and doing the work. And if you do love deeper, longer, more experimental meditations, please feel free to join my Another Level channel available in the show notes via Patreon. Thank you.